Hey guys, today I'm bringing you a highly requested tutorial video. So today I will be showing you guys how I personally do my top knot bun with baby hair. So let's jump right into the video. First, I'm going to be picking out my hair. You can use whatever comb you have. You see I'm using a wide tooth comb. A pick may be better, but that's all personal preference. Then you guys can see me going in and dampening up my edges a little bit so they're not so dry and brittle and they're easier to work with. Then I'm going in with my Cantu Shea Butter Leave-In Conditioner. This is going to help moisturize my edges while I'm prepping for the style. And the Cantu Cream Moisturizer does something that the Edge Control doesn't and makes it feel moisturized while it's also holding it down. Put in some around the back as well, of course. Now you see I'm going in and I'm just gonna brush my edges up in the area that the bun will be going in, which is at the top of my head. And if you see me putting my head down in the video a lot, there is a very understandable or explainable reason for this. Putting your head down allows your hair to go to the top of your head, which makes it easier to put in a bun or makes it look nicer when you do put it in a bun. Now I'm just gonna go ahead and put it in a little temporary bun just so I can focus my efforts on my edges, getting those nice and laid. Now I'm going in with my Cream of Nature Edge Control and I'm just gonna put that on the very front of my edges. Then I'm just gonna brush it and, you know, blend the products, make sure it's all laid down. Now I'm gonna go ahead and take out that bun. I'm gonna apply Gorilla Snot in my hand, rub it together, and apply it around my whole head. This is what lays the hairstyle. Personally, I don't like the wave look, so I try to make it as sleek as possible. And I feel like this helps a lot. You gotta lay it down. Then I'm just gonna go ahead and pull that up into a nice tight ponytail, making sure my edges are smooth as possible. You see me tightening the ponytail and brushing the edges to make sure everything's still in place. Self-explanatory. Now this is the important part. I'm taking the hair from my ponytail and simply wrapping it around the bun or the hair tie. This is kind of you get what you get kind of situation, so it's all about the finesse. You gotta finesse it. Just know what looks good on you, ladies. Then I'm taking that Gorilla Snot on a toothbrush to go in on the baby hairs. And for buns, I don't usually do a full out baby hairs. I usually just do one on each side of my temple, one on each side by my ear, and one in the middle of my head. Doing full out baby hairs for buns is just too much for me, so, and I've seen a lot of other ladies do their hair like this. I feel like it's just more pleasing to the hairstyle. And as you can see, I'm taking some hairs and pulling them out by my ears. This is just personal preference, something that my mom has taught me and something that I've done since a young age. That's all personal preference. You don't have to do this, but I feel like it does give it a nice look. So I actually forgot a step here, guys. As you can see, I'm flexing, thinking I'm all cute. But really, I'm gonna go ahead and go in one more time. Not only am I gonna go over my edges with the toothbrush and make sure everything's all laid, but I'm gonna take some curls in the back and take some Gorilla Snot on it, or whatever you use to moisturize. It could be Cantu, Gorilla Snot, whatever, water. Just make the little baby curls in the back. I think that's really flattering and it makes it look uniform. So that's it for this video, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed. Please remember to like, comment, subscribe, and share, and I will see you guys in my next video. Bye!